Hello, my name is Linda. Welcome to Linda's Cooking Creation. First off, I want to thank everyone that actually has been making suggestions for my channel. I appreciate it. If you want to make more suggestions, you can always comment below to see what you'd like to see next. Thank you again, and please like, subscribe, and share. Now, stay tuned for the video. Thank you. Today's video, I'll be making turkey roll-ups. You need stuffing, gravy, and turkey lunch meat. If you prefer doing it with your homemade dressing, leftover turkey, and your homemade gravy, you can. Let's get rolling with the turkey roll-ups. The first step I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be making the stuffing according to the box. I'll be back when it's done. I now have to wait for the stuffing to get done. We have to wait 5 minutes. While I did that, I cut a sheet of foil to put it over my cutting board. That way it stays cleaner longer. After I'm done doing the roll-ups, I still am going to clean the cutting board, but this keeps the nasty germs off the cutting board a lot better. So we'll be back when the stuffing's done so I can show you how to roll them up. Now what I'll do is I'll just get some stuffing, put it in the center. Yeah, it got to be in the center. And then you're going to roll the turkey around it. And make sure you get your turkey sliced, not shaved. And then put it in your baking dish. I'll do another one so you can see. It's not that hard to make these roll-ups. Turkey. And if you have any leftover stuffing, you can use it for different meals. So let's suppose you wanted chicken. You can use the leftover stuffing with chicken. And if you want to switch off and not have the turkey and do this with chicken lunch meat, you can still do it with chicken lunch meat. Because some people don't like turkey. And then what I'll do is I got plenty of stuffing left over. I'll show you what I'll do, but before I do that, I'm going to show you how it looks in the pan. This is what it looks like in the pan. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the leftover stuffing that I have around the edges. Then I'll put the gravy on it. I'm going to be doing the stuffing right now. All I'm doing now is putting the stuffing in the areas that is lacking stuffing. So that's all I'm doing right now. And then I will show you what it looks like before I put on the turkey gravy. I just don't believe in wasting the stuffing, so I'm using up the whole thing in here. The turkey lunch meat's going back in the fridge, so I'll be back in a few. Now all I'm going to do is put it in the microwave for a couple minutes until it's hot. That's all you got to do. Let me reset it. I do it for a minute for me, but you could do it for a couple minutes until it's hot. I don't like my food that hot. I'll be back when it's done. It's going to be hot when you take it out of the oven, so make sure you use pot holders so you don't burn your hands. This is what it looks like. I'll get a different view for you. I'll be swinging around. That's what it looks like when it's done. It's nice and hot. It's easy too. This is an easy turkey dinner when you don't want to do a big turkey. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.